Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, insert wood dowel into all 5 board D. Insert wood dowel into all 2 board E. Insert wood dowel into all 4 board H. Insert wood dowel into all 4 board I. Insert wood dowel into board K. Insert wood dowel into board P and R. Insert wood dowel into board F. Next, insert minifix bolt onto both board A and B. Insert minifix bolt onto all 4 board G. Insert minifix bolt onto board L. Then, install Euro screw M5x 8mm onto second hole of the metal drawer slide. Repeat the same step, installing metal drawer slide on board B. Then, attach board H and I to board J using CSK screw M5x 40mm. After that, attach board Z using nail making the base of the drawer. Then, attach board G using minifix cam making the front of the drawer. After that, attach 2 metal drawer slide onto board G. Repeat step 4 on all 4 drawers. Next, attach both board P and R to board C using CSK screw M5x 40mm. Then, attach both board E to board F. Then connect 2 parts together. Then, attach board Q using nails making the base of the drawer. Then, attach board L using minifix cam making it the front of the drawer. Install CSK screw M5x 40mm in the middle of board Q. After that, install metal drawers on both sides of the base of the drawer. Then use minifix cam to install all 4 boards D and board K onto board A. After that, attach board B making it the left side of the chest drawer. Then, install plastic leg stud on board D making it the legs of the chest drawer. After that, install board Y using nails making it the backboard of the chest drawer. Next, install shelf support on both board A and B. Then, attach glass X onto the chest drawer. Lastly, insert all those installed drawers. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your chest drawer.